Hello class,
Today we are going to prepare.
a delicious hamburger. Let's
start.
start.
The ingredients are some bread, some meat, a lettuce, a tomato, some cheese.
Some oil, some ketchup, and then the utensils we are going to use are a knife, a pan, and a spatula.
First, chop the lettuce. The next step is slice the tomato. Later, put some oil in the pan. Then cook the meat in the pan.
Then turn over the hamburger.
Add the cheese on the bread.
Add the hamburger on the cheese. Add some ketchup on the meat. Add some lettuce on the meat. And then add the tomatoes on the lettuce. And finally close the hamburger.